Soul Supreme was, when it came to New York, like King Addies was the big man. Then you had LP and Earth Ruler. And like number 4 would have been Soul Supreme, where it's like they had dubs, but they just couldn't seem to get the program together in New York. That was like almost like, they would always run number 4. There's Addies, LP, Earth Ruler, and far distance would be Soul Supreme. But you see, when you guys started to come around the sound now, this thing started to really gel together for Soul Supreme at this time here now.
Yeah, because the funny thing about that, even up till that time, I still never decide if I want to go back and really play Soul Supreme, Because there was a dance now, there's a dance with it on YouTube, LP versus Soul Supreme. I want to make that dance to come about. Soul Supreme drop out of the World Clash first, then LP drop out after, and then decide. So I could circle it. You see me? But that time, me again to play the sound. But me just never me see like a planning thing. I don't know if a plan that way, right? So, me never really decide if I really want to go back and play the sound for good. Until one time now, me that Japan and I come back to Jamaica. But me go see a flyer, Soul Supreme versus Firelinks. So I saw Links. You know how long I want to hold it. Me I got that dance.
Yeah.
But me never know me I go play still. So I reach a New York. Junior P, yo, you have the song them? Me I say, yeah man, me have some of the song them, but I have the new one them on the voice. Man said that at the same night of the dance, Me reach, The same day of the dance, me reach. Man say, yeah, and Jakes a play sound, now I want to play the sound tonight, And we start chance for a song, I come here, I say, really, but me ready catch your links. And me want to book him long time. Me I say, yeah man, me ready, man. You see me? Boom, we start get the song them. Where Jakes will link up now. Yeah, some actually see the Jakes 1 hour before we go another clash there with links.
What?
1 hour before, and at this, me try to show the man and say, me don't know how to rehearse or organize or create or plan something. Me know if we go in and dance, watch people and play music, because that's how me grow. If me play some song and it now work, me know if we switch. So, me and Jakes got the clash now with no plan, no idea. We just got that store selector. And the rest is history.
Boss. Because that was, I think that was 2014. And if I remember good, Link's rough you guys up that night there still,
Yeah, but we rough him up to wicked, man. Wicked. Remember neck to neck the dance there going, Remember him win 2 rounds and we win 2 rounds, So he dance, have you got Duffy up, And neck for neck the dance going out through. Me don't know what them do with the audio, how it go. But if the audio that they release,
that's the most secret audio that everybody wants to know. Where is that audio, boss? Everybody wants to know where. We see piece of the video here, but nobody has the entire dance.
No man, who they really that the dance knows, man. If the audio that they release, man, Soul Supreme would I get the better half of it, regardless of links win. Remember links win by 1 or 2 songs, You see me, I do a win is a win, Seeing? But at the end of the day, Soul Supreme rough him up wicked, man. Because one time I remember the man said something on that Cartel versus Bourgeois, some jail argument. And when Bourgeois start beat him, And when we turn on all the chronics around there, now we ask them, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, no, that was a classic. That was one of the dances where people started to really pay attention to, like, okay, there's something going on with Soul Supreme right there. That was the dance there that people really started to really look back and say, okay, something's going on here. Yeah, man.
I believe so. And that's why I say if the audio did release, it would have good for Soul Supreme. Because you just get 2 selectors just start play the sound. Them know each other in a 1 hour time. And start play the sound. I only give links to fight there. It would have great for Soul Supreme. It wouldn't be, regardless of them lose. I think it affect them more that when they add in a release than when it if it be released. Real time.
For sure. All right. So then after that, did you decide now after this dance said, okay, I'm going to just stay on the song now at this time here now?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Fully Soul Supreme right now, man. They say thing them, man. I say, what? Where? And the type of lineup when I see the man them a forward with and the dance to me, I said, no, sir. You know how long me a wait for this? Yes, some me fit there. Notorious. Bye.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.